Welcome to week 10 of the SEED2SEED CSA. We do have a couple of new things in the bags this week, so let's go ahead and check those out. We'll start with our meal starter. In your meal starter this week, we have a thyme, so English thyme. So we'll have a couple of recipes for how to incorporate that. Of course, you can look back and find the chicken recipe with your herbs as well, if you want to try that again. We have our radishes, so you'll have a bunch of radishes. We still have a couple of tomatoes left. And then we have some ginger, and we have some turmeric. And you guys should have some recipes for those already. So that's everything in the meal starter. We're finishing up maybe one more week of the sweet potatoes. We'll just have to see how that goes. But we do have the sweet potatoes in the blue basket. In the black basket, we have our mustard greens. So there should already have been a couple of recipes for the mustard greens. We have the basil. This is a Genovese basil. It does have, these are flowers on the top. You can eat them, but most people probably wouldn't eat them at this point. We do leave these on here for the bees. We have a couple of beehives on our farm, and this is excellent fall pollen source for them, nectar source for them to feed themselves. But you would just use the leaves off of these. And then here's an interesting one. This is an Asian green. You haven't had this one yet. It's called tatsoi. It is extremely cold tolerant. We found on our farm too, growing this, that it didn't do too bad in the heat either, but it is a cold season Asian green. You can use it much like the pak choi. So you can chop this off, the greens off, and saute them, or you can actually use them fresh as well in a salad if you'd like. There we are, that's everything in the bag this week, and don't forget to come see us at the Farmers Market in Bailey Park in downtown Winston-Salem in the Wake Forest Innovation Quarter. We're there every Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and we have everything from meat to honey to lettuce to root vegetables, herbs, and just about everything in between. So again, it's Tuesdays, every Tuesday year-round from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All right, guys, and have a good week.